from Samuri. Yep, that. It also came with a really cool sticker as well, which is nice of them. But let's pick up a camera. Yeah, it came with a fitting kit. I think I'm going to need more screws than that. But yeah, at least it actually come with a sticker, you know, a fitting kit and instructions. Most expensive things you buy, like car part wise, doesn't come with any of that. So yeah, this is a really good piece of kit. Tells you how to fit it. Got instructions there. It's just quite straightforward. It tells you a little slit here, how to bend it into shape. But yeah, for like £8 and it comes with information, hardware, sticker. You know what? That's pretty good. I mean, other companies out there this is what they need to do as well. You know, you buy some of this AirTech stuff, or you buy like, I don't know, like an air filter or whatever. It doesn't come with anything. You know, you have to go online on forums and things, or here, to show you how you do it. At least if they send you instructions. Well, okay, it's not the clearest, but I'll tell you what, you can make out what they're doing. And it comes with a sticker as well. Companies out there, make more stickers, because everyone likes stickers. And yeah, let's get in with it. So I'm going to measure it up first. So yeah guys, I'm going to buy another one I think, because it is the right size to go along the side skirts, with probably about that much left over. Perfect. So tools you're going to need for this are heat, screws, and a Stanley knife. Obviously, if you're wherever you're sticking it on, make sure it's all clean. Wipe it down, and then test fit. Don't stick it on just yet. Just make sure it all lines up nicely, and then you can start trimming, cutting, and moulding it to the car. Oh, I've got a sore throat today. So yeah, let's get started. Alright then guys, so I'm just test fitting. I'll just heat it up, getting the angles right, because obviously the corner is the hardest. Trying to get it to sit nice. So I'm wondering if I should overlap a little bit more here. Mind you, it does line up. I'm not too sure about silver. I might have to like paint it black. Or can this be peeled off, this carbon? I don't know, what do you think? Oh no, it's a bit too much, isn't it? Yeah, okay, I might try and peel that off then. Damn guys, it can't be peeled off. I've just been scraping at this corner. It can't be peeled off. It's actually like on the rubber. Yeah, it looks like it's been dipped. Yeah, I thought it was like stuck on, but it's not. Actually, looks like it's been hydro dipped or something like that. So, I might go and see if I've got some black spray paint. But for now, I'm going to stick it. No, wait. Yeah, I'm going to stick it on the car and spray it when it's on the car because I've got masking tape. Let's do that. too bad. It actually looks quite cool. Obviously on the corners down here you're going to have to put a few screws, definitely on this curve here as well. You're going to put maybe one there and one there, and then probably two in the middle. Probably just space them out, one there, two in the middle, two on that corner, one on that corner, maybe one on that corner, and maybe, yeah, one there as well. So it's just like on the actual curve. So probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, probably about 13 all the way around should be enough. And if it does come undone, remember, you can just screw it back on, but the heat does help massively sticking it on. So yeah, we're getting there, guys. I'm going to pause it here and have a little bit more of a fiddle, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Right guys, that's the splitter installed. I must say that does look pretty good actually. Yeah, oh man, it looks really smart. I've just got to put a few more screws in it because I've not put one yet, but the double-sided sticky tape M3 stuff's working quite well, especially the heat. So yeah, I'm going to put some tape, just those screws they gave me down there. Oh no, I have to go and get some more, yeah, and put it on the corners that I don't want it coming off at. But I must say, that does look pretty sweet. It changes the front end dramatically. But it's wow. You want yourself a cheap splitter, DIY, do it yourself, guys. Made out of rubber, you ain't got to worry about it breaking. And it looks just as good as the expensive stuff. Come in any colour you want. I went for the carbon, but for some reason they sent me the silver carbon. It doesn't matter, because I'm just going to spray over it. But yeah, damn, that is so good. Whew. I'll do a walk around in a minute, guys, on the splitter and everything. But now though, the temperature outside is just about right, I think. So I might end up spraying my wheels. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so it's been about, I don't know, about 20 minutes, something like that. Whew. Right, I've nailed? Yeah, I've nailed them on. No, I've put some screws in them. Yeah, there's not enough what they give you, but again, it's nice that they gave you stuff to work with. I've used them. So, anyway, as you can see, I put a selection of screws along the splitter. Obviously, because I was thinking it's rubber, when it gets wet, it might start coming away, and especially the air hitting it, it might start pulling it down. So I was like, yeah, let's put a little bit more of screws in. So as you can see, I've put quite a lot in. So that ain't going anywhere now. Ain't going anywhere. But I like it, looks good. Yeah, that's very good. Just, oh man, I need to paint it black. The silver does look good, but like I said, I got nothing silver on the car. Yeah. Don't forget to grab your ST Legend stickers. Yeah. Look at that, looks sweet. Grab yours now. Right, next, I need to get some paint. But I might have some black wrap somewhere. I might see if I can wrap it. Alright then guys, masked it up, ready for its light coat. Because I've only got a little bit of paint left, so I'm hoping it's enough to do the whole lot. I'm just going to try and mist it over, so then it sort of blends it in. Yeah. Right, let's get the painting. Obviously you want it to stick, so warm it up first guys. I always warm the cans up a little bit as well, give it a good shake. looks really naughty. Wow. Alright then guys, so I've got to the end of the video. So I've come down to the underground car park in my flat to show you the front splitter. So I've gone out the other day after I did that, got some more paint and sprayed up gloss black, and then I lacquered it to give it a nice shine, and that was on the car and it looks absolutely fantastic. It transforms the front end dramatically. And here we go guys. Alright then guys, I'm going to leave it there then. If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, you can subscribe down here or here. And remember, if you're new to the channel, just click that notification button and subscribe button. And I'll catch you on my next video. This was the front splitter install on the S tier, and it's made the front end look amazing. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.